Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe features how to make fantastic, fantabulous, delicious Nkwobi. Nkwobi is a spicy cow food recipe, a delicacy indigenous to the eastern tribe of Nigeria in West Africa. To make Nkwobi, I would need potash dissolved in water, a combination of black pepper, negro pepper, and African nutmeg, all blended together. Next, we need our Gongronema latifolium, locally known as utazi leaf, a very bitter leaf that adds a fantastic taste to the delicacy. Another important add-on to this delicacy is sliced onion. Apart from garnishing, it also adds a wonderful flavor to the delicacy. Next is our crayfish, blended crayfish and blended cayenne pepper. The next is our cow foot, the feet of our cow that is boiled really soft. It has to be very soft for you to enjoy it in this delicacy. So it takes a long while to cook. You can use your pressure pot, cook it nicely and shred into little bits, bite sizes. Next is our palm oil. You have to use very good quality palm oil so it doesn't alter the taste of this delicacy. Now to prepare, the first step is to combine the potash water. As you dilute your potash in water to get rid of the sand that settles underneath, and you stir into the palm oil little by little. You have to take it easy at this stage so the palm oil doesn't curdle, and curdling of the palm oil ruins the entire process. So you pour it little by little till it thickens and it becomes a bright yellow sticky paste. This is actually where the delicacy gets its sticky texture from. So pour the potash water in gradually and stir as you pour it in till all of the water is in and your paste is good to go. Next, I'll place my boiled cow foot back to boil because we need it steaming hot for the entire process to be completed. So pour it to heat it up a little. After heating up, we add our spices one after the other. I left some leftover stock underneath the pot. You can see that the base. So this would help it have some extra fluid in it. It doesn't get too dry, and it improves the taste a lot more. While the diced cow foot has heated up slightly, we're going to add our blended pepper. We'll stir the blended pepper in nicely so it's properly incorporated. After which we add our mix, the blend of ingredients, the black negro pepper, our African calabash nutmeg, and all of them blended, mixed together, combined to give it an indigenous traditional taste. Next, we'll add the blended crayfish, nicely smoothly blended, yes, to the boiling feet cooking. Yeah, you add a steaming hot, everything is nicely incorporated. I had a teeny weeny leftover crayfish powder, so I'll add that to the palm oil paste, stir it together nicely. I like the taste it gives, yeah. After which I'll pour it into the pot. Yeah, after which I'm going to put out the fire. At this point, you don't want it boiling, you just want to mix the paste into the nicely boiled protein, yeah. So you stir. Remember I said you're going to put out the fire, so when you pour the paste in, you put out the fire and stir. Now you see why we've been boiling the whole time. We need it hot, but we do not want it to cook with the paste in it. You get. So in goes our nicely sliced vegetable. I mentioned the name earlier, utazi leaf, yeah. Vegetable, I'm going to put a little, the rest would be used for garnishing. And our onion are stirred in. I like the taste it gives also when it's incorporated into the meal. Then the next leftover, that's the main one, will be used for garnishing. Now we're gonna add the oil bean seed, locally known as upaka. Because I like to serve it hot, I'm gonna put on the fire a little bit for about 30 seconds, stir it a little bit, and I'll garnish. So I'll be garnishing with my vegetable, my utazi leaf, and some onion slices. Yes, after garnishing, you serve with your preferred drink, and that's it. I appreciate you taking out time to sit down and watch my video from the beginning to this very point. I would like to see you again. If you would like to see me again, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that whenever I post a video, you would get notified and you wouldn't miss any information. Thank you, I love you, and God bless you. See you again. My name is Diana.